Welcome to our channel, the fastest and easiest to learn Arabic.
مرحبا، اسمي بن. أنا سعيد بلقائك.
Hi, my name is Ben. Nice to meet you. Do you want to speak Arabic from the first lesson? It is so easy, and it takes few minutes. Are you ready?
هل أنت جاهز؟ هيا نبدأ.
Let's start. Today you are going to learn how to say in Arabic the famous greeting. Good morning, good evening, good night, goodbye, thank you. The famous greeting in Arabic is,
السلام عليكم.
and you can say it when you meet someone or when you leave him, and it means peace be upon you. If you want to reply it, you are going to say,
وعليكم السلام.
to greet someone in Arabic and say good morning, it will be,
صباح الخير.
to say it back, we're going to say,
صباح النور.
to greet someone in Arabic and say good evening, it will be,
مساء الخير.
to say it back, we're going to say,
مساء النور.
to leave someone and want to say goodbye in Arabic,
إلى اللقاء.
or you can say,
مع السلامة.
to say it back, we're going to say,
أشوفك بكرة.
to greet someone in Arabic and say good night, it will be,
ليلة سعيدة.
to say it back, we're going to say,
ليلة سعيدة.
to say thanks in Arabic for a man, it would be,
شكرا لك.
and thanks for a girl, it would be,
شكرا لك.
to reply it, you will say,
العفو.
class is over, thanks for watching.
أشوفك بكرة.